Boost sales and customer satisfaction with our Magento extension, Drop Availability. Watch our video to see how it simplifies to boost your sale and maximizes product availability. Install our Drop Availability extension. Post a successful installation, you will be able to see the installed Drop Availability extension under the configuration of the store grid. After clicking on the installed extension named Drop Availability, you will be redirected to General Configuration. Here you are required to fill in some details as per your preferences to allow the extension to work as desired. Module Enable. You must enable the module to use our extension's functionalities. Drop ID. Admin can enter the drop ID for the event in this section. This can be viewed from the admin panel. An admin can define multiple marketing sections that will be shown on homepage. Product Enable Message. The admin can fill in the discount enabling message for specific products to be displayed on your store to inform users about the commencement of special events. Product Disable Message. Admin can fill in the discount disabling message for specific products to be displayed on your store to inform users about the ending of a special event. Change Background Color. The admin can change the background color for the drop availability notification as per their store theme. Change Text Color. Admin can edit the text color of the notification from this section as per their preferences. Upload Image. The admin can also upload the required image by choosing the preferred one to be displayed along with the drop availability notification. Once you have entered the required information as per your business requirements, you must click Save Config to save these settings. After this, our extension will be ready to use to boost your sale during events and particular sessions. Now, let's see how this extension works with its portal features. Go to the installed extension named Drop Availability, then click on Manage Drop Availability. Then you will be redirected to the Magento admin page. There, you must click on the Add New Drop option in the admin panel to initiate a new banner for an upcoming event. Here you are required to enter specific details like start date. Before enter the advanced number of days you wish to display the sale banner. Start event. Enter the start date for the event and choose the timings like time, hours, minutes, and seconds to start the event. End event. Enter the end date for the event and choose the timings like time, hours, minutes, and seconds to end the event. After filling in all the main details. Next, you will have to click on Select Products to specify the products that will be available at lower prices during the event. And then click on Save Drop. After this, you will see a table reflecting all the drops added by you. Open the configuration of this extension in a new tab and click on Drop Availability. You are required to enter the drop ID for the chosen drop from the table to the required section. Post saving this configuration, you must open Cache Management in a new tab and then click on Flush Magento Cache. Reload your store and the customized event banner will be reflected on your home page with all the required details, including the countdown. The same countdown can also be viewed on the category page below applicable products. Moreover, you can also encounter this countdown on all types of product pages. This is the whole functionality of how this extension will work and help you to boost your sale. If you have any queries or further doubts, feel free to put your question in the comment section and we would love to help you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Stay connected with Tech9logy Creators for more extension and plugin support.